To create a yellow note, click on Add Yellow Note. The content here can be written or pasted in any language which is Unicode compliant, and the toolbar in the editor can be used to do different types of formatting on the text, same as that in GreenNote. If any appendix to notes is required, it can be attached by clicking on Attachment at the end of the editor, similar to that in GreenNotes. Once the content is written, even though it is automatically saved, it can be manually saved by clicking on the Save button. Once saved, a version is created, which can be seen by clicking on the Version button. The details that are available to the user are version number, when it was created on, with date and time, and user details, who created it. The attachment as done before can be found here. The versions keep increasing consecutively, with every edit after a movement of the file. These versions help the user to identify the changes, compare and finalize, or confirm the most appropriate note by the concerned official or competent authority. Now, let's delve into the functions of the three buttons. Edit. Unlike GreenNote, the content of the yellow note can be edited after the movement of the file by any user holding the file. Discard. If the content is irrelevant or not aligned with the context of the task, it can be discarded completely by the user. Confirm. Once the content of the yellow note is finalized, it can be confirmed as a green note. Any user can confirm it. However, it's important to note that 1. Whoever confirms the yellow note into a green note will have their signature and post information on it after movement. 2. Once the yellow note is confirmed into a green note, none of the versions are anymore available to the user. Nevertheless, it can be identified through a legend in the file's movement history, indicating that it was previously marked with a yellow note. In addition, officials have the capability to include quick noting, both standard and user-defined, that is, the concise predefined statements often used by officials within yellow notes, including other functionalities like flagging or referencing to correspondence and previous notes, and adding appendix to notes and correspondences, mirroring the functionalities available in GreenNotes.